Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make sub bookmarks or bookmarks label in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and click on this side panel bar arrow, and this is bookmark option. Click here. This PDF file have 4 bookmark already created. This one, and see this. And I'll make this 3 bookmark as sub bookmark on this. This one will be headline as main bookmark. Simply click on this bookmark and select and drag it up, and this is full arrow series, and drag it right down, and since this arrow now is smaller, and since this text now bookmark, also I'll make this image bookmark and again go and see this arrow now showing here, and click here and see this. Also I'll make this one and see this, and click here and see this. This bookmark now created, and also you can remove this sub bookmark. Again go here and make it full line and see this and see. Also I'll make this one full line. Again check this full line. Yeah, and also I'll bookmark this one sub bookmark this page and make it short line and see this one, make it short line and see this. Yeah, in this way you can create sub bookmark, and also I'll add new bookmark this page and click on new bookmark and see this name, and see this. And also I'll make this page as bookmark create and I'll make it sub bookmark this N and drag it and short and see this. This is, yeah, in this way you can create sub bookmark on your PDF file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.